here of what it takes to get a brew going. I like to wash my kettle again. Have it clean as possible. Alright, we're going to gather almost 9 gallons of fresh water here. I got the electric heater in here. It comes on with a timer at early in the morning. And I come out here, my strike water will be nice and warm for me, ready to dough in. And it saves a lot of time to get the water ready the night before. We're gathering our grist together today on a lemon beer we're going to make. It's set in the garage. So it's a lot of thinking through here when you wing it. You want to get something that's going to taste decent. Ooh, that's for blood orange beer. I keep all my grains in these containers over here. My 5 10-pound buckets. Oh man, caramel. Now they're questioning what I want to brew here. I'm looking for my wheat. I think with a little mouthfeel, we might go with a little stouts and porters type stuff. All right, you can. We're at 170 kettle temperature of our striking water. All the water has been treated with metabisulfate, which is a Cabin tablet. A little lactic acid to lower the pH. I should have used lemon juice, being that this is going to be a lemon beer. We're going to dough in here, and we're going to put the hops into the mash tun like we did last time. 3 ounces of Cascade hops we like to use. So slowly dough in here and get ready to go, get our temperature set. Our dough temperature we're looking for today is right around 150 to 153 we're hoping to hit. We're doing it the easy way today. We're going to roll around on the chair and get what we need. What am I? And just come over here like this. Save up my back. Get my things organized here. And we get our straight water in. I like this. This is our fermenting bucket. You can't see it from there. I just got to put the valve together. I think I'll do that now since I'm really just waiting for the strike water to get in the kettle. So I'll get this together quick. So the wife came up with the name for this brew called Lemon Blast. B-L-A-S-T. So we're going to dough in right now, or what do we call it? We call it dough in. And we're going to put 3 ounces. Cascade hops right into the mix. Makes the brew day a little easier to be comfortable. How you doing? Lemon Blast is the name of this. So here's 3 ounces of Cascade hops. We're going to throw right into the mash tun. We've done this before. It makes the, that's just steeping hops. Tastes really nice. It's a nice floral flavor. Oh, sniff test. So yeah, we're a little high in temperature, but the frozen hops are going to put us right into the range we want to be in. Check that out. Nice and comfortable. I'm brewing. How you doing? I'm over here brewing. All right, we're just going to sink these hops a little bit. All right, one more stir on this, and we cover. And we're going to mash for 1 hour, at least. Okay, for a loft process, I'm just going to pour some of this back in over top of the hops. I do like putting the Cascade hops in here. These are homegrown, 2020 season. They steep in here, and they just, I don't know, it makes the beer so good. And I'll only be doing 1 addition of 2 ounces of Citra hops for the boil. And that's it. We want a nice, nice lemon flavor here. Off to the boil kettle we go. I like the color. Here's our check on the gravity. I know we're going to be low. I'm going to guess at 1035, 1040 max. And we're lower than that. 1033. Let's get another reading on it. All right, guys. There's our hot break. There is our hot break on the Lemon Blast. We got a little over 4 ounces of lemon zest in here. The wife, she zested it for us. She was really nice. She said, I want to be part of the brew today. She always is part of the brew. So the 1 hour, we got that in. And then our hop addition is going to be 2 ounces of Citra. We're going to put that in the last 20 minutes. So, sir, you want to set a timer for 40 minutes? Hey, Surrey, set a timer for 40 minutes.
Okay, 40 minutes and counting.
Dr. Shane. So we're going for a nice lemony, citrusy flavor for the summer. We're going to be coming in at, after boil, I'm going to guess, oh shoot, 1040 max, 1042 we're open. I'm not going to add candy sugar to it. We're just going to wing it on this one. And I'm definitely hoping for a nice lemony flavor, wheat tasting, Hefeweizen. How you doing? About 4%. Yeah, we'll be coming in about 4%, maybe just a little higher. It's going to be beautiful. Ta-da. All right, last 20 minutes. 2 ounces of Citra hops. How you doing? Oh, this is smelling lemony. So Citra hops are in the last 20 minutes. And I have the T58 yeast we're going to be using again today. There it is. We're going to throw in some Fermate O. So I'm just going to get all of that in there. Getting a reading before flame out, just to see where we stand here. Oh yeah, we came up nice. Right where I predicted, 1041. Wow. Right on the money I predicted, 1040, 1041. And she's not done boiling yet, she's got another 15 minutes to go. Beautiful. Last 15 minutes. We're going to get a cap full of Irish moss. For clarity's sakes. We have our wort chiller all set up here. Ready to turn on shortly. 1042, going to flame out here. Always shut your tank off first. Let your regulator empty out of gas. Your flame goes out. And shut off your regulator. Good enough. Chiller is in. Chiller is in. It's on. And we're chilling. Everything's been sanitized. Really good. I always sanitize. I dropped it again. But I filled my bucket with sanitizer and I let it sit there for over an hour. So we're going to start draining the wort in here that's cooled down enough. Into the bucket.
About 15 minutes for the cooling.
So we let this pour in at a heavy level to aerate. And that's all the aeration that I do on my beer. It's what comes out of the kettle. Pitching in the yeast. T58. Sanitized package. Sanitized scissors is in and complete. Cover and bubbler. Bubbler. All right, we're out here in the brew house. We're kegging the lemon blast, and we just got a reading of 1.004. So we'll calculate that when we're done. That's down from 1042 was the original gravity. 1042 was the original gravity.
1 point, wow.
And we're at 1.004. So, you know, came in right where I wanted to be here, I think. So we're going to be kegging this. I got my hose and the sanitizer and the bubbler's still in there, and we're gonna spray everything down here and then go right to the keg.
5%.
Came in right at 5%, she says.
4.987, so that's 5%.
4.9. I was shooting for 4.5 to 5%, remember? So she came in really great. We're getting, our brewing, we're getting better at brewing, I guess. We'll get a little taste test on this. It's 3 ounces of Cascade in their thing and 2 ounces of Citra.